I want to know who was the Hulk to pull it out
really.
of these locks.
Right.
Because I mean, that's not the easiest thing in the world. I don't really know what to expect. I thought it was a car trailer at first, but no, it's the whole truck.
You hold roadside.
All right. All right, I want you to come hold it. That works too.
Just fell out of the track.
Yeah. So let's see why.
Yeah.
Hello. How you doing?
Good.
Good.
I mean, the people that we hired to load, they pulled this out and they said they couldn't get back in.
Okay. So.
It seems to be hitting on that. We tried to get it in. It seems to be hitting on this.
Yeah, I see that. That's fresh marks.
I don't know. And we had the moving crew, and they, you know, they use this all the time. We
Right.
hired a U-Haul crew, right?
Yep.
And they're like, nah, it's screwed up. And they're the ones that pulled it out, so it wasn't, you know. And actually, let me tell you, when they were, for some reason, this was crooked.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then we had it in there and we just kind of bent it back. But I don't know how that happened. But they're the ones that pulled it out.
I
And
think
then,
I'm thinking this. You know, see how these are
Yep.
But it's already, you can go in from the side.
and there's witness marks here. So that means it's been doing something.
But it seems this is sitting on here. I don't think it's do it from the side. Get back in. Or...
Yeah, I'll play around with it for a little bit and
Alright.
see what I can figure out.
Well, it's...
Can you lift it like up more? Like. Okay, I see. Go down. Seems like it's getting caught here.
Yeah, it is.
Like it's gotta go down.
Right. I'm gonna try and play whack-a-mole with the old girl. See how it feels. Watch my hands. Oh. Okay. Now we can lower it by this, I think. Okay.
Got it.
I think we might be able to make do. What size are we thinking that is? 9/16? Wow, on the money. I just got it like that.
You want me to do it?
No. She's coming out.
There you go. Oh, shit.
All right. Now, in theory, should just slide right through on that side. I'm thinking I should still do this one, maybe.
Sure.
I think I'll leave this one on, but let it wear like loose, so that we can. It already is kind of slid up as much as it can, but we'll see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, it is as high as it goes, so I'll just take it out. Wow, they got like 4 washers on this thing. All right. Now we can get her in. Lower it down a little. Hold on. Hold on, we're off. Back out. Okay. Let me see what we're stuck on. Oh. Yep, perfect. Get that bitch all the way through. Yep, perfect. Now we can apply back our bolts. I want to know who was the Hulk to pull it out of these locks.
Right.
Because I mean, that's not the easiest thing in the world. Those are locks that are technically supposed to keep it from coming out. Somehow they were.
Show us though, is this gonna come out and go back in again when we get to my destination?
Yeah, just be gentle with it.
Okay.
As long as you don't pull it out too hard. I think I got pulled out too hard and through the locks.
Well, let's test it right now.
Yeah, putting it back together.
I had to unbolt the locks that hold them in, which are these little brackets here, and you can see this little piece is what's kind of holding it in, so that way it doesn't slide out. So when I unbolted it, I just took it out. That way they would slide past, because this is what they were getting caught on.
So you took it apart, you put it in, and you got to now install it past the lip or whatever.
Yep, yeah, exactly. I don't know how, but
You got to pass it in the first place.
right. And I think now, as long as you're gentle.
Yeah, those guys, they yanked it out. I backed the truck in and they were here.
Right. This thing's still loose. There we go. Yep. Now we'll get this next bracket on. What part?
Is it good? Is it tight enough?
No.
It's not tight at all.
No.
Do you want me to hold back in the thread?
Because there's nothing to hold. I just don't have any room.
Right. What did you want to do?
Yeah.
Good?
Yep. That'll do it.
No way, you're electrical, I'm mechanical.
Try drop it.
So as soon as you see the nut, set it down. But now you got to lift it up onto the.
Right.
You gotta hook it into the.
No, pull it out more. I want to see it lifted on here.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
I want to see it lifted on here and then unlift it and go back in. Because that's what we're going to do. And we're doing that in Florida. So it's a two-man. Let's watch you guys do it. Yeah. Okay, very good. Now let's see it go back down. I just want to see. He's an electrical engineer. Okay, that looks great. You guys know your shit. How old are you? Very good.
Okay, good job, guys.
You guys know what you're doing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, everything worked out. We got to get to U-Haul in an hour and we can do it.
There you go.
All right. I'll put all this back. I'll give you guys a card, and then we're all set. Oh, I'll need a signature too, and that's it.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
again.
much.
Have a good day.
You as well. And then if you have that happen again, so you're going down to Florida with this?
Right.
Okay, so if that happens again, just whoever comes out and struck them, take those. I'll show you right here. Are you the one going down there?
Yeah.
Or was it your brother?
We're both going.
Okay, you're both going. There's 2 bolts here. You see them in there?
Yep.
And then there's 2 on that side.
Yeah.
It's a 9/16 bolt.
Yeah.
Just take them out, pulls right in or pulls right back out, okay?
But
Right.
you had take those off to get it back in.
Yeah,
Put it back out.
right, yeah. So if it pulls back out again by accident or whatever, that's how you'll put it back in. All right? Have a great day. Thank you.